Hi teacher, hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is one of the most pressing problems today. It threatens biodiversity, climate change, and many other consequences that humans have to face, especially plastic waste. Particularity of them is sustainable in nature. Plastic waste, along with other environmental pollution, have been negative, impacting on the environment and human health all over the world. For example, you can easily see the people use plastic bags when they go to the market or other store. Plastic bags have become indispensable item in daily life. So, to protect our earth, our group include me, Vũ Thị Thùy Dương, Nguyễn Duy Nam, Nguyễn Minh Thư, Trần Hoài Viên, and Trần Thị Như Ý decided to point out the harmful effect of plastic waste. Our topic is plastic waste. So, what is plastic waste? Như Ý will answer this question.
Plastic or synthetic plastic is a product that is not available in nature but created by man. They have a very long decomposition time, which can last for hundreds or thousands of years. Plastic waste is plastic products after being used and discharged into the environment such as plastic bags, plastic bottle, synthetic plastic, classified plastic waste from daily life. It's a from daily activities of people such as plastic bags, plastic straw, plastic waste from industrial activity. Plastic waste are from manufacturing, industrial zone when they product and contrast. Plastic waste from tourist and service areas in manufacturing research. They also waste plastic. Medical plastic waste. Type of medical waste include plastic bags, chemical or needle bottles, waste from imported goods when importing goods from abroad, especially the increased demand for Chinese goods. The amount of plastic waste from plastic bags and bottles increased very quickly.
Hi teacher. Next, I would like to talk about the current status of using plastic waste. Vietnam is facing many risks from plastic waste, with a huge number of 1.8 million tons of plastic waste generated in Vietnam per year, and this amount of plastic consumption is increasing. On average, every minute in the world, about 1 million plastic bottles are sold. About 5,000 billion plastic bags are consumed each year. In Vietnam, on average, each household uses about 1 kilo of plastic bags per month, especially two major cities, Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. On average, each day discharge about 80 tons of plastic and plastic per day. It is worth noting that the classification, recovery, and disposal of waste in Vietnam is still very limited. The amount of plastic waste and plastic bags in Vietnam accounting for about 8 to 12% of dumped solid waste, but 10% of plastic waste and plastic bags are not reused but completely removed into the environment. The amount of plastic waste and plastic bags dumped in Vietnam is approximately 2.5 million tons per year. This is a burden on the environment, which could even lead to the wide pollution disaster that experts have called. In the in the medical field, the process of medical examination and treatment and daily activities such as activities of health workers, patients, and their family members, medical service used from professional activities such as packaging tools containing drugs, chemicals, equipment, supplies, material, medical supplies are activity of researching and so give birth to plastic waste into the environment. Plastic waste pollution seriously affects the environment eco- ecologically and human health. It's estimated that more than 700,000 species of organisms in the world are negatively affected by plastic waste pollution, and the health sector also needs to be responsible in this regard.
Hello everyone, I'm Tu, and today I want to tell you about the concern of this topic. As you know, millions of tons of plastic are still consumed and really into the environment every year. It takes a long time to decompose, such as a plastic bottle. It took 200 years to decompose, and a plastic bag it took 100 years to decompose, and it's really harmful for human life, for the environment, and for the animal. Now we come from the first one for human health. Landfilling and burning cannot help decompose them, but it also causes toxic emissions that harmful for human health, and landfilling cause pollutes water sources and destroy our habitats and natural environment. Burning is produce toxic gas, include dioxin, furan that cause cancer. Now we come in number 2 for marine life. Part of it is really into the sea, into the ocean, and many fish, turtle, and many animals with living in the ocean, they eat it because they think it is food, and they don't digest and they die. What a pity. And now we come in the last part. This is environment. When plastic waste will divide it into small bits and is mixed in the soils, affect groundwater source. As for plastic waste in the mountain and forest, it will lose the soil structure and landslide in the mountain area. In addition, plastic waste also seriously affect human fishing and aquaculture industries. And now we come in the last part is retain by being. This is solution of this topic.
Hello everyone, my name is Avcn. I'm gonna read the solution to this topic. Ready? Now, follow me to the solution. 1. Reserve. We should reserve varieties of train to be able to save cost. 2. Reduce. We need to use another form of material to replace lattice material. For example, lattice straw or replaced by grass, metal straws, lattice bags or replaced by paper bags. 3. Recycle. After using, we can use lattice waste as useful items. 4. Separation of waste as source. We should get into the habits. Sorted waste at the source. Separate lattice waste. separate organic waste gases if they mix together. It will be difficult for them to sort. Takes time for sorting before handling.